so good to rock it tonight. Well, I heard the news, that's so good to rock it tonight. I'm gonna hold my baby as tight as I can, 'cause tonight she will know I'm a mighty, mighty man. I heard the news, that's so good to rock it tonight. I say meet me in a hurry up behind the bar. Don't you be afraid, I do you no harm. I want you to bring along my rocking shoes, 'cause I'm gonna rock away home my boots. 'Cause I heard the news, there's a good rockin' tonight. Let's rock it. We're gonna rock. We're gonna rock. Let's rock. We're gonna rock all our blues away. Well, I heard the news, everybody's rocking tonight. Well, I heard the news, everybody's rocking tonight. I'm gonna hold my baby as far as I can, 'cause tonight she will know I'm a mighty, mighty man. I heard the news, there's a good rockin' tonight. Let's rock again. We're gonna rock, rock, rock a bomb. We're gonna rock, rock, rock a bomb. Let's rock a bomb. Let's rock, rock, rock a bomb. We're gonna rock all our blues away. Just about a year ago, I set out on the road, seeking my fame and fortune, looking for a pot of gold. Things got bad and things got worse, I guess you know the tune. Oh Lord, stalking low down here again. I rode in on the Greyhound, I'll be walking out if I go. I was just passing through, must be 7 months or more. I ran out of time and money, looks like they took my friend. Oh Lord, talking and low down here again. Man from the magazine said I was on my way. Somewhere a love's connection, I ran out of songs to play. I came into town, a one-night stand, looks like my plans fell through. Oh Lord, it's talking and low down here again. If I only had $1 for every song I've sung, every time I had to play while people said they're drunk, you know I catch the next train back to where I live. Oh Lord, talking low down here again. Oh Lord, talking low down here again. You think you've lost your love? Well, I saw her yesterday. It's you she's thinking of, and she told me what to say. She said she loves you, and you know that can be bad. Yes, she loves you, and you know you should be glad. You said you've hurt her so, she almost lost her mind. But now she said she knows you're not the hurting kind, because he loves you, and you know that can be bad. Yes, he loves you, and you know you should be glad. Ooh, she loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. And with a love like that, you know you should be glad. Although it's up to you, I think it's only fair. Pride can hurt you too. Apologize to her, because he loves you, and you know that can be bad. Yes, he loves you, and you know you should be glad. Ooh, she loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, with a love like that, you know you should be glad. Oh, with a love like that, you know you should be glad. Oh, with a love like that, you know you should be glad. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Riding along on my automobile, my baby beside me at the wheel. I stole a kiss at a turn of a mile, my curiosity running wild, cruising and playing the radio, with no particular place to go. Riding along on my automobile, I managed to tell the way I feel. I told her softly and sincere, she called and whispered in my ear, calling over and driving slow, with no particular place to go. Let's ride on, baby. Particular place to go. We parked way out on the Kokomo. The night was young and the moon was gold. We both decided to take a stroll. Can you imagine the way I felt? I couldn't have fastened the safety belt. I ran along on my calaboose, still trying to get a belt loose. All the way home I held the grudge, for the safety belt it wouldn't budge. Calling more and driving slow, with no particular place to go. Let's ride on, man.